What's going on, guys? This is Gus and Carla here. We are your favorite North Dallas real estate agents. Guys, we are in the city of Aubrey today. We are actually checking out this new development that is going up right now here in the city of Aubrey, Texas. We are more towards downtown Aubrey, okay? So I'm sorry, I'm doing this and I'm blocking you like.
I think it's fine because there's a wasp right there somewhere, so I'm good
There's
right
a
here.
wasp.
I am good right here.
Am I protecting you? Am I doing my husbandly duty and protecting you from a wasp? Okay. So yeah, we are checking out this brand new development here in this downtown Aubrey. So cool spot. Okay. It's not a master plan community, guys. So there won't be any pools here. There is a playground, some walking trails, bike trails, a pond in the front. But that's pretty much it.
Low HOA.
Low HOAs, and you can contact us so you can get more information about the HOA, tax rates, and all that, because we have all that information for you. But we're going to be shooting this history maker home. This is a one-story home, and so it could work for so many families out there or investors. So if you're looking to invest and start your rental portfolio, this might be the one for you.
Yes, this house is actually super cute. I would buy it personally and rent it out. They've actually done some really nice upgrades to this home.
Yeah.
This is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, single story. They did black finishes throughout. So the hardware, I am surprised, like shockingly surprised, that it has a dual closet.
In the master bedroom.
In the master bedroom, I am a little bit jealous. So it's super cute, great for a rental, great spot. The yard is a really good size if you've got kids. If you're a first-time home buyer, this could be a perfect home for you.
Yes, this sits on a 50-foot lot, guys. So yeah, the backyard, you'll see it in the video. The backyard is it's a great space. So yeah, guys, if you want more information about it, give us a call. We would love to connect with you, answer any questions that you may have. Again, we are local realtors here in the Dallas area, but we do specialize here in the North Dallas area. So we would love to connect with you, represent you in your buying process. We are here for you to facilitate and just to make it a smooth process for you. So our information is going to be up here. You can call us, you can text us, and connect with you that way.
So there you have it, guys. We hope that you've enjoyed this walkthrough. We're going to talk a little bit about the price and let you guys know the incentives that they currently are offering.
Yeah, guys. So regarding the incentives, you can actually, they are offering, the builder is offering a 2-watt buy down on this particular home or their inventory homes that they have available right now. So your first year, you are going to have a 2.99 interest rate on this house, which is great. Second year, yeah, it's amazing. Second year will jump up 1 point and you get locked in at a 4.99, which is still a great rate, right? Considering, we're in the 6s, 6.5 right now in this market. So that's a great incentive from the builder. Again, the price?
The price.
Yes.
Okay, the price is $379.
$379,990 to be more exact. Okay, but we are actually here for you to negotiate on your behalf. Actually, they already knocked down the price from the list price to that price. So, but we, as your agents, can also offer you some great incentives as well. So make sure to give us a call and contact us so we can talk about that more.
Yes. And those incentives are not coming from anybody else. They're coming directly from us.
Yes.
So you want to make sure to call us for those. Don't call the builder. They're not going to know what you're talking about. Yeah.
Obviously, the builders here, you can go in and talk to the salesperson, but there's that wasp again. It's back. You can go in and talk to the salesperson, but they're not here to represent you. They're here to work on the builder's behalf. That's who they work for. We are here to represent you as our clients, and we want to make sure that you get the best deal, that there's no money left on the table. Okay? So make sure to reach out to us if you have any questions. All right? So there you have it. Let us know what you thought. Give us a call, text, drop a comment, like button, subscribe button, all the good stuff. We will see you next time. Bye.